Hey everybody, it's me Stacy here at Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, and it is week 5 of the 2025 June warehouse sale here at Scrapbooking Made Simple. Wow, the month went by so fast, right? We are in week number 5. We started all the way back at the beginning of June. Every Monday I brought new products to the warehouse sale. All of it between 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off, sometimes even more than 90% off for the entire month of June. So here we are, week 5. This is the last week of the event. It will end next Monday, right around noon, sunny California time. That would be 2 p.m. Central, 3 p.m. Eastern. All the product disappears. It just is gone. But if you've got your order in, have no fear. It will be coming to you just as soon as we can. Absolutely. So week 5, we've put together a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I've got oodles of manufacturers that we are adding to the event right now. They're being added right now. You could go to scrapbookingmadesimple.com and click under week number 5, and you would see all the different product we have added in for this week. But of course, week 1, 2, 3, and 4, if there were products that haven't sold out yet, they also carry forward into this last week. This is it. Get it while we've got it, because once this event is over, the product disappears again until who knows when. But if you enjoy 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off, sometimes more, then this is the event for you. If you need this product immediately, this is not the event for you. Here we are starting week number 5, and I can tell you that we've just started processing week number 2. Yes, we've just started processing week number 2. That will give you an idea that it's going to take an extended amount of time to get you this product. And I have a whole video on the terms and conditions of our warehouse sale, so you know what you're getting into before you hit the submit button. Week 1 is always super easy because it's a limited amount of product. We did Sizzix week number 1, so all you could order was Sizzix product. Week number 2, we added more manufacturers, so the orders got a little bit longer. Week number 3, we added more, so the orders got a little bit longer. Week number 4, you get how I'm going. So week number 5, everybody then gets to see everything that's still available at 25 cents, 50 cents, $1, $2, $3, $4. And so those orders can get really long, which is why it takes what it takes to get them to you. Now, I'm super happy we're already in week 2. I am like jazzed about that because we are a small company. There's only about 7 of us. Michael H. is the one person who pulls all of your orders, bless his pea, pick, and heart. And Kathy QCs and ships everything. You know, Kathy QCs everything. So to have these stacks of orders, and we take them one by one. We take them in the order we receive them, and one by one, we get them out to you. But that savings of up to 90% off, well, that's worth the price of admission as far as I'm concerned. As long as you've watched the terms and conditions video, then I encourage you to shop till you drop. You literally can take $10 and parlay it well over $100 worth of product during the warehouse sale. Now today I'm going to walk you through just a few of the manufacturers we're adding. We've taken, I want to say there's probably 15 different manufacturers we're adding into this last week. And what I'm going to show you is a small sampling of what we have for you. This is just like I've got a few things from Lavinia to show you, or a few things from Lisa Horton. That doesn't mean this is all we have from them. No, I'm just kind of giving you a look at what we've got, and then you go check it out and see how much more there is for you at that 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off or more. This is an online only sale, so local peeps, you are welcome to click the pick up in our retail store button. Absolutely happy to do that. Otherwise, we're gonna ship it out to you. It's ships when it ships, and it's first in, first out. And we're on week number 2. We've just started week number 2. for shipping, and I'm launching week 5 right now to give you an idea. All right, so I've got everything from LDRS. I've got Northwoods. Let's just take it on down and let me show you some of the items, and then I leave it up to you whether the discount and the pricing is worth the wait for the product. If you need this for a special event, this is not the sale for you. If you love this event because, well, you couldn't afford it when it was $40, but you can afford it now that it's $4, this is the event for you, and it's okay that it ships when it ships. So, LDRS, we've got some product from them, and when we could make a set, we made the set. You may find this stamp sold by itself, and we may have it with the die. So it's up to you which you prefer to have, just the stamp set or the stamp set with the die. We're never going to put just the die out if it's meant to go with a certain stamp. Some people are just stampers, they're not die cutters. So if we matched everything we could together, we made as many sets as we could, and then any additional stamps that are left over, we just do them open stock, just the stamp by itself, because, well, maybe you're not a die cutter and you just love the stamp. So LDRS, we've got several. Ooh, look at that. That goes along this border. Isn't that beautiful? We've got several sets, and again, die and stamp combos where we're able to make them. Otherwise, we'll just have the stamp for you. And the pricing is amazing. Absolutely amazing. So LDRS, we've got what's left of our Northwoods stamps. So these are red rubber stamps, beautiful designs, and this is just a very small assortment of what we have from Northwoods stamps. I've got Lisa Horton for you. Here we've got a embossing folder and a die in one package. But here I've got the stencil and the embossing folder, and we've paired them together. Yes, the stencil will work by itself. Yes, the embossing folder will work by itself. But where we can, we've put the sets together for you. And then clear stamps with companion dies. So you've got the happy, the perfect, and the you, and all the stamps that are going to go with them. So these are the dies, and it looks like they're layering dies, but you've got do what makes you happy. Let's see, happy for you, happy times ahead, happy anniversary, happy holidays, happy birthday, happy looks good on you, happy Christmas, happy to spend time with you, happy thoughts. Always here for you. Oh, look at perfect. You are just perfect, perfect in every way. You make my life perfect. Perfect day for a birthday. I'm human, not perfect. Boy, howdy. You are somebody's perfect. Born to be real, not perfect. You are my kind of perfect. Perfect day to celebrate. And you always here for you. Just be you. I love you. You make me smile. You make me happy. Happy birthday to you. Been thinking about you. Thinking of you. You and me forever. Celebrate you. You make me a better person. So you get all the stamps and then the dies to go with them, all from Lisa Horton. So tons of Lisa Horton for you. This isn't all of it. Oh no, it's more. But then we've got some Lavinia for you. So do you like the pretty little fairies and the little whimsical, ooh, this is an acrylic board. Okay, pretty little, that mystical look. We've got some of our Lavinia for you. We have got Alexandra Renke. Love her dies, absolutely love her dies. And they are all going to be on sale for you. Ooh, look at the ephemera, so pretty. So we've got Alexandra Renke, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off. We have got things from my favorite things. We've got a Be Mine banner and die set. We've got stamps from my favorite things. Clear stamps, really pretty. I have got Ciao Bella here for you. Love me some Ciao Bella from Papers, 6x6, 8x8. We've got some of their stencils, and who knows what else. This is just a super small sampling of what we've got for you from Ciao Bella. 49 and Market, some of the older 49 and Market product is here. Absolutely. 49 and Market always looks good. Absolutely always looks good. And you're always able to mix it with what's current because it just works so well together. I've got 3/4 design from tag sheets. Look at all those tag sheets you're going to get. To card packs. That card pack set you're going to get. To literally just project sheets where you cut out each individual item and make your own projects out of them. We have got Toto, and if you are into foiling, I've got lots of Toto foiling, but maybe you don't have a foiling plate. Ink these up and it becomes a letterpress transfer with your inks. Tons of Toto for you. Look at how cute is that for your foiling. So if you've got a Go Press and Foil or a glimmer machine, you're gonna love these, and if not, you're gonna ink them up and send them through and use it as a letterpress. There is just a little bit of everything here. I'm trying to think. I've even got our very last bits of our trim craft designs. Boy, I bet these are deep discount. Look at that, happy birthday. All on sale. Look at this background. It's beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. And I bet it's at least 70, 80, 90% off. So trim craft for you. Between the trim craft and the Northwoods and the LDRS and the Lisa Horton and Pink and Maine. I've got Pink and Maine for you. I've got Ciao Bella for you. We still have some Lawn Fawn. Not a lot, but there's a little Lawn Fawn left. Something to make everybody's heart happy and something to fit everybody's budget. You may be shopping for those 50-cent deals. I don't know. There's a lot of them out there. We've got a lot of product in here, all ready for you to enjoy and save, knowing that it is a ships when ships policy, and we'll get it to you as quickly as we possibly can. But we take every order in order, and we only have one person pulling these orders. And you're like, why do you just have one person, Stacy? Because that's all I can afford to hire. When you're selling something for $1, well, you still gotta pay everybody, and there's not a lot of profit in $1. But what this sale does do is it allows more of you who may be on a fixed income or maybe need to tighten your crafty belt just a little bit. While it's not the latest and greatest products out there, it is new for you. And maybe this set retailed for $30 or $40 for the die and the stamp set, and now maybe it's $7. Well, maybe the $30 or $40 was forever out of reach, but the $7, you might be able to swing that. I don't know if it's $7, it could be $3 for all I know, or it could be $10. I have no clue. I just know that there are products here that might have been out of reach when they first launched, but now you can look at it and say, I can have that for 50 cents, and I can have that for 50 cents, and I can have that for $1. And you didn't have it before, so while it might not be new to the market, it's definitely new to you. And that's what makes it so special. It really does allow crafting to stay affordable to so many more people. That is what our Make It Mondays are all about. So this is week 5. It's the last week. Come Monday next week around noon, all of this will disappear. You won't be able to see it. You won't be able to place an order for it. If you click on your order of an item and it says this order is no longer available for reorder, that's right, you can't reorder it because it's already, you've either already ordered it and you've clicked it from your account, you've already ordered it. It means that if you bought this and your friend's like, oh my gosh, I wanted that for $3 too, and you say, oh, that's okay, let me just go to my order and we'll click on it and we'll order you one, and that notice comes up that says it's no longer available to be reordered, that means any orders already placed for it are good. It just means you can't reorder it. So I hope you enjoy week number 5, the last week. All the product that has not sold out yet is out there for all of you to shop, shop, shop. And then we'll talk about when the next warehouse sale is going to happen, when this warehouse sale is done shipping. Week number 1, I believe, is completely out. If not completely out, we're just wrapping up the last orders. And week number 2 has begun for shipping. This is week number 5 of the warehouse sale, and every week it takes us a little longer to get the orders pulled because the orders get a little bit bigger. But you all know this because you all watched the video. All right, I'm gonna leave it to you to go check out all the sale and find everything that makes your heart happy, and I will see you next Monday when we go back to our normal Make It Monday event, where it's one bundle retail value between $80 and $100 for just $19.99. And actually, the next time I see you will be tomorrow for our In the Studio with Stacy, where we take fabulous fine art product and we mix it with our fabulous paper crafting product and really teach you about fine art and how to use that product in what we do with card making and scrapbooking and altered art and junk journals and mixed media, what we do. And it's really a very fun series of classes. So join me tomorrow, Tuesday, 6 p.m. sunny California time, 8 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. Eastern for our In the Studio with Stacy class. Until then, everybody, have fun, have a good time, and bring your patience. And I hope that you find something that just makes your heart happy for 90% off. Until then, everybody, bye.